Hi guys, today we are playing our Minecraft. In this game, you just need to survival and working. You guys already knew it, but what did you see the pictures? The new update 1.13.1 kelps and many things. I already get 50 of them and I plant them down. You're easier to get in the kelps, and the kelps are only a kind of food, but if you can eat it, you only can add 5 per 1, like a half block of your food place. In here, if you lose much of them, when you don't eat kelps, the kelps only can help you add half of 1. But let's just start. Where's my fish? My fish was almost there. Did you want to know the questions about the fishy? Oh yeah, that is a easier one. You guys already know how to get the fishies. Yeah, you need to find the fish except for dolphin, because dolphin was way too big. If you double press W, you can be like swimming faster. In the 1.13.3, you are not going to be like the normal. When you're like this, you're losing bubbles and you just can go up and go down. See, it's not different because you need to add the bubble once and once. But if you want to get the fish, first you need a water bucket and press the fish same as you getting water that at tabs. So I will get some air first and I will teach you. You need to using the right click to get the waters. But same as you need to right click to a fish to get that. From bucket of water became bucket of cod. Cod is super. Okay, then same as put the waters back and you can release a fish. People reach the island. I love those fishes. But the fishes cannot be like animals that can be many and many. You only can do them once time. But I really did not know where is the sea turtles. The sea turtles are rare animals. You can catch it. From here is what the kelps I plant. If you can get it from the oceans, don't forget it's only ocean. And then in this time there's no like sea animals, but you can get some tropical fishes from the tropical forest water oceans, and they are very rare. You can grow it as big as you can. They can grow the top to the water, so that is so high, right? But some are too short. I think now it's time to go back to our home to see something that's interesting. Now we're going to test the dried kelp. Let's eat it. See, this is only getting you half of them, so the dried kelp can be many, so you must need to plant some of them. Did you see my gold? Oh, it's even more than irons. It's better. There's some irons that I need to dig. It's dark enough. I hope you guys could see that. Okay, now we can make sure that here's a safety. And here's a... I don't know how to say this rock. I know it's useful. So I'm changing the peaceful to keep looking what's has happened in that side. So, but I'm sorry. I must need some coals. There's so many irons. I'm going to take them all. Well, there's nothing, so let's just get some of the irons. I'm done. Here's some gold. Luckily, I have a keeping inventory. wait, I forgot what I need to do. Oh yeah, I need to make a I need to go to Nether. So we can pick this one. I feel so bad about those. But now it's time to end the video and see you next time. Bye guys.